let's have a look to rule number 5. Rule number 5 is use a or an to mention the category or type of a person or thing. To understand this, let's have a look into these examples. Sangeeta is a doctor by profession. Now, there are so many professions, so we are saying a doctor means mentioning the category. Let's have a look into another example that his laptop is a Dell version 4 because there is an entire category of many products of that particular thing. So so you have to use a or an to specify particular category. Now, she is an amazing dancer. Riaz always wanted to be a doctor. Whenever you are talking about particular category, then you will gonna use a or an. All of these nouns are kinds of category, so to which you have to use a or an with it base. It is being a consonant or vowel sound. Rule number 6. No article should be used to generalize plural or uncountable nouns, whereas a or unused generalize singular countable nouns. Plural and uncountable noun does not require any article. So when you have to generalize plural or uncountable, you do not need any article. For example, I prefer coffee over tea. So coffee and tea are uncountable nouns, because of which there is no requirement of using article a or an. Dogs are very loving. We use a hare because it's a singular noun, but a dog is a very loving animal. We are using a with a dog is very loving animal because it's a singular noun, but with dogs are very loving animal, they are in plural form, so there is no need of using a or an. Last rule, rule number 7. No article should be used with proper nouns. No, proper nouns like Pakistan, Karachi, Dubai, but there is some exception. So like we say the USA, the West Indies, the Middle East, the UK, the Himalaya. Other than that, no need of using articles. We do not use article with the name of languages or games like Urdu, English, French, cricket, etc., etc. And we also don't use article with fixed expression. There are few nouns which are fixed expression. Whenever you use them in your language, there's no need of using article. So these are various rules of using articles in your language. If you feel any confusion, any ambiguity, you are welcome to ask any question. Thank you.